In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to Gemini in Chrome. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate and start using the Gemini feature with just a few easy steps, taking no more than 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in and make sure you can navigate through this process effortlessly. First, you'll want to open up your Chrome browser. It's always a good idea to use a browser that you're most comfortable with, and Chrome tends to be a popular choice due to its speed and compatibility with a wide range of applications. Once you have Chrome open, the next step in the process will be to log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with the account you wish to use Gemini on. This is crucial, as many of these features are tied to account-specific settings and data management. Once logged in, take a look at the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of your Chrome window. This icon looks like a small grid or a clustered group of dots, depending on how you might describe it. Clicking this icon reveals a drop-down menu showcasing various Google services you have access to. This is where Gemini is going to be located, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it allows you easy access to many integrated Google services right from the browser. From the list of apps featured in this menu, look for Gemini and give it a click. If it's not immediately visible, double-check that you're logged into the correct Google account, as some options might not appear if you're signed into an account without the necessary permissions or subscriptions. Once you successfully click on Gemini, you're almost ready to start. Now that you've selected Gemini, it's time to create a new chat to fully engage with the interface. In this final step, just type in your prompt to start interacting with the AI. This feature allows you to quickly and efficiently get answers to queries, brainstorm ideas, or explore its capabilities further. Just start with something you're curious about or need assistance with and see how this powerful tool can work for you. And there you have it, easy access to Gemini through Chrome, all set up in just a few straightforward steps. This powerful tool, combined with the comprehensive functionality of Chrome, can enhance your productivity and streamline tasks, making it a valuable asset for both personal and professional use. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to access Gemini using Chrome, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do.